so happy you're here with me today. Let's begin with a warm-up. Let's roll those shoulders forward. And we'll roll them back. Bring the arms out to the side. Close and open. Thinking about that good back posture. Shoulders are down, back, and relaxed. Very good. Bring the arms down. We're going to look side to side. Very good. Let's tilt. Warming up that whole body, head to toe. Very good. Hands to the waist, heel and toe. Heel and toe. Alternating right and left. Very good. Let's walk. We're going to exaggerate that swing. Keep stepping in place. Let's bring the arms up and inhale and exhale. That good, positive energy. Very good, and walk. Today's walk is all about functional exercises. Fun in functional. A total body workout. Step touch and raise the shoulders, the arms up above, keeping those shoulders down. Let's begin. Just step touch. An element of strength is part of this workout today. Mainly mobility, function, and fun. One more time on each side. Very good. Intermixed with walking. Bring up the arms, push in front and out to the side. In front, out to the side. Pick up the pace once you get the movement down. Very simple movements, but makes that heart happy. Two more times. Very good. And walk. Next, we're going to do that half jack. We're going to slow that walk down, out, and out. Very good. And walk. Let's do some arms with that bicep curl, alternating as we walk. Thumbs are up. Very good. And walk. Next up is a V-step. We're going to go to the right and then switch off and go to the left, making a V. Right foot in front, then left foot, then right foot back, and left foot back. Follow along. And one more. Very good. Left 10 times. Excellent. Let's walk. Pick up that pace a little bit. Next, we're going to do that V-step, starting on that left side, and we're going to add that half jack. Then we'll go to the right with that V-step and do that half jack. Always starting either on the right side or the left side. Very good. Let's go. Left, left, and right, right. Join in with me. Combining the moves. Challenge that muscle memory as well as that mind-body connection. One more time on each side. Very good. Let's walk. Exercise variety is the main theme of this challenge. Adding variety to your fitness will help improve all aspects of your life. Let's out and in, out and in. On the right side, then the left. Very good. Let's left. Excellent. Let's walk. Excellent. We're going to go out and in on the left. Very good. Let's right. Excellent. Let's walk. Gonna inhale and exhale. One more time. Very good. We're gonna slow this walk down, having that nice straddle stance. We're gently going to have those knees in line with the ankle and just squat down briefly and then back up. Just down and back up. Very good. One more. Excellent. Let's bring the feet together. Holding that nice posture stance. We're going to do that dribble wheel. The other way. Very good. Let's turn and go forward. And the other way, tilt. We'll go backwards, tilt. And the other side. Very good. Let's walk. We're going to end this mixed variety walk today with a chasse. Just going side to side. Very good. Let's chasse. That quick step in the center, leaping side to side. One more time on each side. Very good. Let's just walk, a slow walk. Very good. Heel and heel. Heel and heel. Toe and toe. Toe and toe. Very good. Just let's walk. Slow that walk down. Shift that weight side to side. We're going to do those hip circles. We'll go the other way. Very good. Palms are down. Just going to breathe in and breathe out. Feel that strong, successful stance. Bring the arms up. Just inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Thank you so much for joining me for this aerobic walk.